In previous lectures, we used elimination method to solve our equation. In this lecture, we are going to use substitute method. So first, let us give our equation numbers. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 will be our first equation, and x plus 5y is equal to 4 will be our second equation. So let us write value of x in terms of y from equation 2. What is our second equation? X plus 5y is equal to 4, our second equation. So if we subtract both sides by 5y, what will happen? This 5y will be cancelled and here we will get minus 5y. So x is equal to 4 minus 5y. Okay, so we got the value of x here. So let's substitute this value of x in equation 1, because we get this value from equation 2, so we need to substitute this in equation 1. What is our first equation? 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 is our first equation, and what is the value of x? Value of x is 4 minus 5y. So here 5 is 5, and what is the value of x? 4 minus 5y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Here 5 4s are 20 minus 5 5s are 25y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Here minus 25y and minus 2y. Here 2y will get subtracted from 25y. 20 will remain 20 minus 23y. Here 25 is bigger number, so the answer also get the sign of bigger number, minus 3. Let's subtract both sides by 20. 20 minus 23y minus 20 is equal to minus 3 minus 20. Here 20 and 20 will be cancelled. Here remain minus 23y is equal to minus 3 and minus 20 also become minus 23. Here let us subtract both sides by minus 23. Minus 23y upon minus 23 is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. Here both get cancelled. Here remain y, and minus 23 also get cancelled, but here remain 1 because 23 ones are 23. So let's substitute this value of y in equation second, because in second equation here only x, so we will get easy answer. X plus 5y is equal to 4. Here x will remain x, 5 will remain 5. Here y is equal to 1 and here 4. X plus 5 ones are 5 is equal to 4. Here subtract both sides by minus 5. X plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to, here 5 is bigger number and 4 is positive, so they both get subtracted, but the answer will get negative sign because 5 is bigger number. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and 5 is bigger, so answer is also minus 1. So our solution is x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 1.